Welcome. The 48 Laws of Power, written by Robert Greene, is a powerful book that has shaped the destinies of countless individuals throughout history. Join us in this video as we explore the concepts from Law Number 2. Never put too much trust in friend. Learn how to use enemies. This law cautions against being overly trusting of friends, as they might have their own motivations or could potentially betray you. The idea is not to be paranoid, but rather to recognize that friendships can sometimes be complex and influenced by self-interest. The law suggests that instead of blindly relying on friends, it might be more strategic to use your enemies to your advantage. Enemies can serve as a source of motivation, challenge, and can even be unwitting allies in certain situations. By understanding their motivations and actions, you can navigate situations more effectively and turn their actions to your benefit. It's important to note that this law doesn't advocate for creating enemies or burning bridges with friends. Rather, it emphasizes the importance of being discerning and adaptable in your relationships, considering both the potential benefits and risks.